Hi, it's Shraddha, and today in this video, I'll guide you on how to get started with LearnQ.ai for free. Before we begin, you must understand if you really want to excel in your SAT, it's not just about what you study but how you do it. And LearnQ is revolutionizing how we learn. It has helped thousands of students achieve SAT success. So, without any delay, let's learn how to use LearnQ. The first thing you need to do is create a profile. You can either download the LearnQ app from your App Store or visit learnq.ai. Click on Login and sign up with your Gmail account. When you're creating a new account, you'll be prompted to set up your profile, fill in your details, and test date. Once you're in, you can see the user interface is extremely easy to navigate. Click on the top left corner to open the menu and access features. On the right corner, you'll find a profile icon for profile settings and explore options for upgrading your plan. Now, the first thing you need to do is take a diagnostic test. It is a shorter 40-minute version of a full length exam. Before you begin, carefully read the instructions provided to understand the test format and guidelines and start test. Once the test has begun, on top left you can see the subject and the module. Read the direction carefully. On right, there's time displayed for your time management. Once you take the test, before finishing a module, review all your question and answers. Do the same with all three modules. Now, it is extremely important for you to begin your LearnQ journey with diagnostic test because this helps the AI understand your current level, identifying areas where you excel and areas where you need improvement. Once you've completed a diagnostic test, the next crucial step is thoroughly reviewing your analytics report. On this, the AI predicts your SAT score. This score serves as a benchmark, helping you understand your current standing and set realistic goals for your improvement. You can also read through AI's personalized recommendation on what you're doing good at, areas you need to focus more on, and strategy to enhance your overall SAT performance. Now, the analytics report also converts the predicted SAT score into ACT score. This provides a comparative perspective, allowing you to gauge how your performance might translate across different standardized tests. Time management tracks the time you spend on reading, writing, and math on separate tabs. The graph represents your time distribution on each concept with that of your peers. This can help you identify where you might be spending too much time or too little time. It also helps your tutor evaluate guesswork. Next, the LQ Mastery Score. This measures your proficiency in each topic. The graph categorizes your mastery level, helping you identify which topic you need to improve to achieve expertise. The score ranges from novice, intermediate, advanced, expert, and master. Next, the accuracy analysis scores your performance out of 100 for various topics for each subject. A higher accuracy score indicates better precision in answering questions. The report also highlights topics where your accuracy needs improvement. You can then review your test results for both the subjects and, most importantly, review your diagnostic test with Mia. Our advanced AI tutor follows a reinforcement learning technique. Hence, it is important you do not mistake Mia for a chatbot. When you click on Test with Mia, it runs you through your diagnostic test questions, showing your response alongside the correct answer and providing detailed explanation for each solution. To enhance your review, click on the floating Mia icon and review this question in 6 different prompts. Explain the solution better ensures you fully understand the rationale behind the correct answer. Where did I go wrong? Pinpoints the exact error in your thought process or calculation, ensuring you avoid repeating the same mistake. After analyzing your diagnostic test results, you can check that LearnQ has created a personalized 8-week study plan tailored for your needs. In this, each week focuses on specific objectives such as building foundational knowledge or mastering core concepts with organized approach to cover all SAT topics systematically. Following this plan ensures a structured and personalized approach to your SAT preparation, helping you achieve the best possible score. Now, LearnQ.ai offers a gamified practice feature. Let's understand this with an example. Select the first subject mentioned in your study plan. Go to Play and Practice Test. Skim through the subjects, topics within them in different tabs, and select the concept within the topic. Now, select the test to practice. Before you begin, you need to understand the expected score boost is based on your diagnostic performance. This predicts the potential score increase you can achieve by practicing the concept. You need to remember two things. In the first two games, AI analyzes your mastery level, and you lose a life if you give wrong answer. And for this game, you have 3 lives. After completing your practice test, it is essential to analyze the results to understand your performance better and guide your next steps. Click on View Report to access a comprehensive breakdown of your practice test performance. You can read through AI's personalized recommendation. It will pinpoint specific topics where you need improvement, allowing you to concentrate on your weak spots while guiding you on how to address these weaknesses and improve your skills. Next, PlayScore previews a graph comparing your scores across all practice games. This helps you visualize your progress and spot trends. LQ Mastery Score measures your proficiency in each topic based on accuracy, question difficulty, and time taken. Time spent on each question previews a graph that shows the average time spent on each question in different tests. You can check your play and practice game test results and also review this test with Mia. Ask Mia represents a revolutionary leap in SAT preparation, offering you a 24/7 access to practice and study SAT concepts. Do not mistake it for a chatbot. Its unmatched customization features adapt seamlessly to your learning style. Mia provides a highly personalized and adaptive learning experience. For example, through language, you can ask Mia to communicate in your native language, such as Korean or Spanish. Through character, you can ask it to explain any concept to you as your favorite character. For example, Iron Man from Avengers. Next, LearnQ.ai offers an unparalleled advantage with access to 15 full-length practice tests, more than any other digital SAT prep platform. These practice tests are meticulously designed to replicate real exam conditions that closely mirrors the blue books. Before you begin, we suggest you thoroughly master each concept using play and practice. Ask Mia diagnostic test to build confidence and readiness for the full length practice test. Once you've given a full length test, review it to understand your performance, such as your predicted SAT score, personalized recommendations from Mia, cross test score that assesses your ability to apply skills across broader subjects, and sub-scores that breaks down your performance into specific skill areas within each subject. You can also see digital SAT to ACT score conversion. Similar to your diagnostic test report, you get a time management analysis, LQ mastery score, and accuracy analysis. Lastly, you can see the test results and review the full length test with Mia for improvement. Now, many students struggle to improve their SAT score because they don't take the time to analyze their mistakes and correct them, which is why LearnQ's analytics dashboard offers a comprehensive overview of your action and performance across different practice sessions and tests, allowing you to understand your strengths and weaknesses in detail for all your diagnostic tests, play and practice tests, and also full length tests. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope you now understand how to efficiently use LearnQ.ai. You can check the description below for more details on specific features and sign up right now for a free diagnostic test. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more guide on LearnQ.